Gang. You too, man. What's up? Yeah, what's up, man? Ah, welcome to another video. And I hope you guys missed me because I missed me too, you feel me? So, yeah, welcome to another YouTube video, man. And in this video, I want to be showing you guys how to use a very important market tool, which is the Fibonacci. Yes. I want to show you guys how to use a Fibonacci right here. This is a Fibonacci. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me go to a blank space and draw it right here. Yes, this is what they call a Fibonacci in the Forex markets, and it's a tool to trade retraces and retracements in the Forex market because the market don't just go straight up or straight down. It goes up, it retraces, or you can see it retest, and it goes back down. Up, sorry. Let me show you. Let's okay. This is a I drew it up down to top to bottom. That's for a downtrend. Now the market is coming down, then it stops here, retraces at this point. This is what I call a retracement, and it comes all the way down. So that's how the market moves in a retracement. And what you need to know when trading a fib that the market will retrace at these three key levels: this 78, this 61, the 50. Yes, you expect market to retrace at either of these levels. These are hot zones that market retraces out from before it goes back down. So FIB just helps you to know when the market is going to retrace. So you know that okay, it's forming up, so it's going to go down back. So you just wait, retrace, then you enter for that sell. You were waiting for anticipating the market to do. You sell it all the way down to ever. Yes. And another thing you need to know before we move ahead is that you can set these three levels as your TP: the 0.00, the 27 extensions, and the 61.8 extension. Those are two good TP levels. Mostly market reaches all those level. It gets there. But at first you need to just set it to this 0.00 because this is most times market to stop here then just go all the way up and retrace. But most times market breaks it and comes down here. Just have these three, just know that okay, these are good tip take profits zones right here. So let's head to the charts and let me show you examples. So I've already mapped this here already. Look at this term top to bottom for a downtrend, top to bottom. And look at where market retraced. Exactly as I said that time. These three zones. What you can do is just map like a rectangle there and just wait for market to retrace. Once it retrace, okay, it's coming down. It came up again to retrace, but this was already a lower high. So just know, okay, couldn't take out this high. This is a lower high. It's going to keep going down, and that's what market did. It just tanked down. Now you can just enter, sell right here of this here, sell it to this level, the 100, like I said, 100. Then TP is here, stop loss is there. Then look at this right here, hit the 100. It's even smashed through itself. So, like I told you, these are good TP zones. Broke through the 0.00 down to the 27 and down to the 61.8. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. Fibonacci really helps you to know, like, when market to retrace. It allows you to catch big market moves, but you just have to be patient enough to wait for that retracement again, like this type shit. So let's look for more examples on Fibonacci. I've shown you guys on the downtrend. Let me show you for an uptrend. For uptrend, you draw it um, bottom to top, right here, right here. You retrace off the 38.2 level. You draw that rectangle box again. Retraces off this place and heads all the way up to the 61.8. Enter, stop loss. Good to 1 to 2 ratio, man. You just made, if you were risking 500 there, you would have made $1,000. So $1,000 is money, so that's dope. So yeah, and there are so many examples. I trade this pair because it retraces a lot, and it's very good example. Even this one also retraces. If you see the pattern it forms for a retracement, you just need to market pattern is also a good way to trade. Look at this pattern it formed. It went all the way up, but if you also want to do came down again to retrace and shot all the way up there. So yeah, that's basically how to use the Fibonacci, man. You guys should like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that subscribe button if you stay to the end of this video. Like this video, man. And hopefully, man, you comment what type of videos you want to see. And I'll see you in the next freaking video. Gang.